Hey guys, Swapnil here back with another video, and in this video I'll be taking a closer look at some accessories for the OnePlus 9 Pro from GlazedInc. Throughout my past videos on the OnePlus 9 Pro, I have received multiple requests from you guys to cover some screen protectors and cases for the OnePlus 9 Pro. And I would like to thank GlazedInc for sending these units for review purposes. And with that, let's get started with the review itself. So first up, this is the tempered glass screen protector which comes in this box. I have actually already applied it. It comes along with other things which you would require to install the screen protector itself, though those things would be the stickers and the cleaning cloths. Along with that, you would notice that you also get these two things here. So this is the UV light, and this has the UV glue inside it, which is used to install this screen protector. The installation process is a little tricky and a little complex, but it just requires time. So the application process video is there on their website. I will link that in the description. Even I have used that link, and you can actually go ahead and install it using that link. So let's talk about the screen protector itself. So this is actually a UV curved glass screen protector. So this on its own, it doesn't have any glue on the inside. It uses the UV glue and the UV light to actually solidify the glue inside. Coming to the edges, as you can see, the edges are actually curved on this screen protector, and it actually protects the edges from drops as well. So drops and scratches, of course. So that's a good thing, because the other kind of screen protectors which are commonly available in the market for curved devices are the ones which actually are made up of a plastic film, thick plastic film. So I've used that in the past as well with my Note 9, which also had a curved display. But the problem with them is that they actually develop small grooves on the surface, which doesn't look good and doesn't hold up very well. So compared to that, this is definitely a much better solution in my opinion. I also have a couple of drawbacks here. The only actually majorly one drawback, and that is when we use a case along with it, it does tend to collect some dust along the edges, because even if you put it in your pocket, there would be some jeans lint inside your pockets, some cloth lint material, all those things. So those things can get stuck here. So that's a small problem which I do have with the screen protector. But I assume there are no other possible ways of eliminating that. Maybe just time to time keep on cleaning the edges so that those materials actually don't stick to it. Now let's talk about the matte armor case, which I also have here. So I have it in three colors. This is the dragon red color, this is the navy blue color, and this is the jet black color. So all three of them are actually here for the OnePlus 9 Pro. Let's go ahead and install one of them and let's see how it functions. So this red one is my favorite. Actually, it goes very well with the black device here. And if you want a more stealthy look, you can go black and black, or I do believe they also have one more color, which is the green color. So this is installed on the OnePlus 9 Pro, and this is how it looks. In my personal opinion, this looks very, very good, and it also shows off the back of the phone very well. So this does shows off the black texture on the back, but it's actually frosted, so you don't really see a lot of it, but you do tend to see the color of it actually. And there is this logo here which you can also see. So on the back here we also have rubber feet, smaller rubber feet actually, on all the three edges, so that if you place it on the back surface, this won't scratch this particular surface here. For the camera part, we do have raised edges, so as you can see, the camera doesn't actually stick out, and the camera won't get scratched if you place it on its back. For the front part, as you can see, on the edges we have these reinforcements, so it helps protect for drop protection, and all the cutouts are proper. As you can see, no issues in using them. So here I am trying to use the alert slider, no issues with that. The buttons work fine as well. So one more thing I would actually like to mention here is that when you are installing the screen protector, after the installation is done, go ahead and actually assign the fingerprint again, because that can actually increase the speed a little bit. So that's one suggestion from my end. You will actually see all those suggestions and those things in the video which they have uploaded on their website, so go ahead and check it out. Also, again, I would like to thank GlazedInc for sending the units, and if you are interested in buying these products, the links to them would be in the description. You can also use the coupon GLAZE10 to avail 10% discount. I will leave links as well as all the coupon codes in the description. And with that said, thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any queries about the screen protector or these cases, do let me know in the description down below. I will also leave links to my Twitter handle, and go ahead and follow if you're interested. With that said, thank you for watching.